Okay, y'all. I haven't even fired up this big bad boy. Haven't even tugged on the rope yet. We're just gonna go give it a push, see what it does. It's filled with oil, filled with gas, filled with water bottle. The only thing I ain't filled yet is my and we all know what we're talking about there. I'd help if I knew where the choke was. There it is. One of these is gas on. Problem already. The throttle on here. Not seeing a way that it's supposed to attach. I thought it was supposed to right in there, but apparently it don't. And it ends up rubbing and turning out. Put another try. Should have dropped it down a little bit lower before I make another cut. Before I make another cut on here, I need to look and find out how to fold up this throttle, because it ain't supposed to be like this. There's something that I'm missing here. When all else fails, read the instructions. But I don't like to do that. I know it's a handle, it's got to go on here somewhere. This one on here. Got measurements. It has measurements on that handle. I can't quite figure it on out offhand. Probably going to have to look at the instructions if I can even find them. Or I'll find it on YouTube or something. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with that first cut. Can't wait to try it again. But I got to get this handle figured on out. Now, if the girls can't find you handy, they can at least find you handsome. Y'all come back now, you hear?